Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
That's another place outside. On the way back from Guadalajara, there's so many taco stands on the streets, and some of them are super busy as well, and some of them aren't. Small Mexican town coming back from Guadalajara, and we stopped for some tacos at Vira. Here she makes the tacos. She grills it, the cheese inside and the beef. It's a soup? A soup, yeah? Oh. Consommé, okay. Wow. Inside beef, and then you put on your toppings. Got in your eye. Oh my god. Gracias.
De nada, Roberto.
Good luck.
Provecho, provecho.
Igualmente.
And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
What is she doing? What is she doing? Wow. So this is like the famous thing in this town. I know, it's okay, take it out. Wow. This is cool. What kind of water? What is that?
It's corn or strawberry, different flavors.
So this is crazy, man. Fresh honey.
Es el mismo. Me dijo grande.
Ah, grande, ¿quieres uno grande para los dos? Ok, checa lo que tú te ves. No, agarramos uno también.
Amigos, this wraps up the Guadalajara series. Thank you for watching. Muchas gracias por ver esta series de Guadalajara. Guadalajara is a massive city with over 5 million people. I was there for only 36 hours, so I surely will be back soon with tons of things to do, tons of things to explore, and of course, tons of food to try. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to share. Gracias. Adios.